Hello! This time on Quick Tips, I'll show you how to locate your Google My Business reviews, how to get more reviews, and how to set up review notifications. Let's go! Tip 1. Locating your reviews. To see and manage your Google My Business reviews, visit www.business.google.com and log in. Once you're in, you'll see your Google Business homepage where you can see and respond to your clients' reviews. Just click Reviews here and you'll see a dedicated review page. Here you can view all of your reviews and write and edit constructive responses. If you're new to Google My Business or have only a few reviews, you'll want to reach out to your clients and ask them to submit a review. Here's how. Tip 2. How to get more reviews. Surprisingly, there isn't a way to directly request a review from within Google My Business's web pages. So, here's a workaround to get a URL to promote to your clients. First, search for your company within Google Maps. Why Google Maps? Because there's a link to write reviews at the bottom of your Maps listing. So, once you're on your company's map page, copy the URL from the top, then open up a URL shortening services such as Bitly and paste the URL in and click Shorten. You can then promote this URL on your website, in emails, in your email signature, on invoices, on your business card, and much more, whatever you can think of. Once you're actively promoting and asking for reviews, you'll want to make sure you're finding out when reviews are posted. Here's how. Tip 3. Getting notified. Let's return to the Google My Business homepage. Near the bottom, click on Settings. And then, near the middle of the email notifications page, activate the checkbox for customer reviews. That's all there is to it. Very easy. And that's 3 tips that you can use to improve your Google My Business reviews. Join me next time for another Quick Tips. Bye.